Hey guys, thanks for joining me. Welcome back. So today in this video I'm going to create a mirrored tray. It's a serving tray, or you could just hold your candles. But I'm going to show you how I made it. This came out so beautiful. I used crystal gems, cut mirror glass, and it came out so beautifully. So I'm going to show you very quickly how I did this. I'm going to use this 10.5-inch mirror. I'm going to be using these knobs. I'm going to use those square cut mirrors, and I'm going to be using a diamond shaped mirror. I'm going to be using my E6000. I'm going to be using the flat gem wrap and the flower gem wrap. I'm going to use Swarovski Crystals in the color Topaz. Also, I'm going to be using my hot glue gun. I'm going to be using my silicone fingers, some alcohol, and a paper towel to clean off the mirror. And I'm going to get started very quickly. Now I'm just taking a single row of the flat gem wrap, and I'm going to finish off the edge of the mirror. I don't want the mirror to look unfinished around the edges, so I'm just going to very quickly just put that flat gem wrap. I'm using one single row, and yeah, that'll be enough. It's perfect width anyway. It looks great. Going to remove that plastic film that I had over the mirror so that it wouldn't flash out my camera. So right now I think I'm going to add the feet to the mirror, so I'm cleaning it off with some alcohol and a paper towel just to get off any oily stains or anything that's there. So right now I'm adding my E6000. I'm using a little bit of hot glue to set the feet of my tray into place. I'm using that stick to help line up my feet so that they'll be evenly apart and that my mirror won't look crooked. So that's done. So now I'm going to start decorating. So right now I'm using the diamond shaped mirrors. I'm going to create a flower design. So I'm placing that hot glue. I'm just going to use hot glue to affix this. I'm just going to create a flower pattern using 4 diamond shaped mirrors. You'll see how I might do that. And guys, it looks like that my legs are uneven because the mirror seems to be wobbling while I'm applying the smaller mirrors. It's not. I think one of the legs is off my work board, so it's rocking back and forth. So as you can see, that's the flower pattern that I'm talking about. It's coming into place. I'm just going to add the 4th petal, and that's what that looks like. And so right now I'm going to use the flower shape diamond, and I'm going to, I cut them into small pieces so that I could apply just a singular flower inside my flower medallion. So I'm going to keep working so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. Those small mirror pieces are very easy to work with, and they work really well with the hot glue. So I was really impressed. But I have to be honest, guys, and tell you that if I was making this project to sell to someone, I would definitely use the E6000 instead of hot glue. I mean, I probably could use both for the project, but I mean, to make sure that the project is permanent, I would use the E6000 along with the hot glue. But this tray is for me, so I wanted to show you how I put it together. So I just used the hot glue. It came out beautiful. Matter of fact, the pieces didn't fall off. And yeah, as you can see, it's starting to come together. It looks so beautiful. And I love the crystal feet that I have, the knobs, the kitchen knobs. They look so beautiful in this project. So right now, I'm just laying out those mirrored squares just to see how I'm going to place them. And so now I'm going to start using some hot glue to put them into place. And I don't need my silicone fingers for this one, guys, because I think I'm just using like the little space that's available at the top of each square. So I'm really not burning myself with this particular project. And I'm just placing those mirrored squares into like a diamond shape. And that's what that looks like. That looks really nice, but I'm not done yet, guys. I gotta finish blinging out this little girl. So now I'm going to use the Swarovski Crystals, and I'm just going to add a little drop of glue right in the center of the diamond mesh. They're actually like little medallions now. So I added a little tiny bit of the hot glue, and I'm going to use my gem picker, and I'm just going to put one of the crystals inside each of the medallions. And the color again on the crystal is called Topaz. The contrasting color on this project really set this tray off. It just really made it come together beautifully. And you'll see after the project is finished, in low light, the crystals really throw their own light across the mirror, which gives it a beautiful like amber glow. It's gonna look so beautiful, guys. So that's what that looks like. And so now I'm just going to add some of those flowered gems from the flowered mesh wrap. You can see I had cut some more out, and I'm just going to just take this to a little bit of a higher level for me. Just keep blinging it out. I'm just going to apply those all around the mirror, sort of on the outer portion of the squares. So right now I'm going to use a little bit of a smaller gem, and I'm sorry my hand was blocking the way, to put into each square of the mirrored square. So this size is about 2 sizes smaller than the ones that I put in the center of the diamond medallion. And everything adhered really nicely. It didn't fall apart or anything. So I'm just going to keep doing that until I got them on all the mirrored squares. And guys, that's it. That's the finished project. It came out so beautiful. I mean, the crystals, the crystal feet on the mirror, everything looks so gorgeous together. This is the final project. So guys, thank you so much for joining me. I do appreciate it. Please don't forget to comment and subscribe. Take care of yourselves, guys. God bless, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.